Hi y'all, I am Tammy Lynn and I am from Tennessee, originally from Kentucky, and I want to start this YouTube channel to teach you guys what I have learned self-taught about quilting. Um, so we will be starting projects like what they call block of the week, but block of the month, but I'm gonna call it block of the week because I plan on doing this weekly, good Lord willing. And we are going to learn how to piece. I'm going to go over like parts of the machine with you, different types of fabric. I'm going to go over terminology with you, the do's and don'ts, tips, and supplies to use it when we start a project. Like I will be using, for example, I have got some patterns laid out here. Some are beginner, and some are intermediate, and some are advanced. And if you have a favorite pattern, send it to me. I will help you figure out how to make it, and we will make it together here on this YouTube channel. So, if you all have any comments, please leave them in the comments section. And please remember to subscribe, and I will have a Facebook link to my Facebook. So, welcome, and please, guys, share this with your friends so I can build this up. And I am new at this, so look over me, pray for me, and God bless you all. Thank you.